Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be making part 2 on I'm Bird. What is happening? I'm lagging right now. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you heard him, but Carson, aka Gaming Bro C, just said hi guys. Yeah, CJ. But yeah, if you guys didn't already watch the first one, okay, why am I still on the home screen? If you guys didn't already watch the first one, make sure to go check that out. But if you did see the first one, you would know that we unlocked this. And you would know that we unlocked this. But yeah, let's get into this. There we go. Da, 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 da. Oh, and you guys would know what happens when you run into those guys if you watched the last one. Let's crash into number 05. That was a bad idea. I don't know why I'm doing this already. Oh no. Oh no. Caca! Oh gosh, I'm getting chased. 360! We're done. Oh, never mind. We're not going to dive in. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, maybe if I make it to the gun shop, I'll be safe. AKA home base. Hey, no. Ah! Don't kill me, sir! On course, I just realized. If you're getting chased by... If you're getting, like, in a police chase and you go in your little hut, the curtain's closed so they can't find you. I don't... Okay, so... But... Oh, I know this is supposed to be, like, in the beat. Oh, actually, no. But stay in tune, because I'm going to be recording almost all day today. So, if you guys like my content, make sure you check out, or no, what am I saying? Alright, man, I really feel like a bird right now. Okay, what am I saying? I am a bird right now. Hi, sir. Hi, police officer. What are you saying, buddy? Oh, I didn't know pooping on someone is a crime. Alright. Yo, since when was pooping on someone a crime? And then last one, I saved so much birds. Oh, where does I say that I find a bird that needs help? Yo, stop messing with him. He didn't do anything. Alright, yo, I'm sorry. Oh, I think that's everyone. Whoa, yo. I'm scared. I don't like this. Why are you shooting me? You know what? That's it. They made me angry. I have to go do this. Yo, chill, peoples. You know, guys, you know how we saw the mayor last time? What happens if I shoot him? And guys, remember this is VR, not real life. Where's the mayor? Sorry, sir. This one isn't as intense, remember, guys? 1 star is just police cars roaming around. 2 stars is, or actually, no. 1 star is nothing, I think. Oh no, 1 star is police cars, 2 stars police cars. Then 3 cars, the SWAT teams on buildings. 4 stars is those robot kids, and then 5 stars is helicopters. Alright, about to be 1 star. I'm out of sight, as you guys can see. Man, I'm just trying to save my bird friend. 1 star, about to be 0. I'm gonna start heading down, and then hopefully right when I get in sight. Yep. Man, there's always police cars here. Alright, let's go. Now I'm a normal bird. Birds also like to hang out in trees. Maybe not on top of trees, but ooh, birds like to hang out on these things. Ooh. The mayor's talking, guys. There he is. Where did he go now? We will wait. You know, what would happen if I ran? Oh, if people actually listen. Hi, cop. Bye, cop. Hi, buddy. Bye, buddy. Hi, police station. I don't know why I'm hiding here. Hi, okay, that was not as bad as I thought. Yeah. Can I not go on the police property? What the heck? You know, I'm gonna go fly right over a police car while doing this. Hello. Alright, guys, let's try this again. Let's go on the police property. I don't know why. I really don't know why I can't go on the property. Like, what am I gonna do? I'm just an innocent bird. Like, why do people hate birds in this town? Like, first there's people beating up birds. I mean, there's another one right here. How do they even get on the roof? Yeah. Why? Why would they kill me? I'm just an innocent bird. At least I thought I am. Man, what did birds in this town do? Ooh, new game. I have that one. Okay, what am I doing? If you guys ever played an IM game or multiple, what's your favorite IM game? Um, hmm. You know what? Oh, yes, there's one right there. I had to. Oh, yeah. Why? Bro, just why do people hate birds so much, man? I don't know why I'm so silent right now. Well, it's because I'm locked in. Because I'm getting chased by the police. Do 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 do. Did I just hear someone say I hide and seek champion, or am I tripping? Okay. Sorry, I'm talking to. Could I actually pop the lid? No. What even is this? Wenny? What is Wenny? Okay. Ugh. Go. Alright, so this is how it goes. Level 1, cop cars. 2, like police officers on the floor. 3, SWAT on building. 4, robots. 5, helicopter. I don't know why, but this game is actually kind of hard, but it's, like, not. If you know what I mean. Athlete, I'm in. Complete the tourist's quest. First, then come back. Man, you kinda jacked. Not gonna lie. You know, yeah, I probably should go complete these, cause... You know, yeah, that will be my goal for this video. To complete, like, the tasks. Oh no, you've been detected by a local authorities. You better hide. Take cover and hide in hide zone. What the? Where do I hide? Final task, enjoy the sunset view. Reach the lighthouse. Oh, easy. Flying through the sky. Sorry. Quest complete. Deet. Well, now let's go check. Who are you? A psycho? I hate cars. Poop on cars. What the heck? Why do you hate cars? Well, oh, crap. Yo, I didn't know pooping on cars in this game was illegal. Okay? Just chill. Just chill. Man, that bird is really a psycho. He's trying to get me arrested. That's what he's trying to do. He doesn't actually hate cars. He just wants... He just probably wants me to get arrested. Yeah. Listen to her. What is happening? What did the poor birdie do? Yes, sir. Here. Alright, well, I did Psycho. Then I'm gonna do Hero, Singer. Then I'm gonna try to find the athlete again. Oh, there he is. And then I'll just have fun. Alright, hello. A house fire broke out. Help put it out. Oh, I don't... Okay, I'll just stand still. Help put it out. Extinguish the fires. Oh no. Fires. Come on, boys, let's put it out. Man, yeah, that guy really is a hero. The other guy just wanted to get me arrested. That other bird. Now him. Rapper. We don't like fun. Get rid of balloons. Pop the balloons. What? I thought I was gonna be like, some knows. I thought I was gonna start rapping, not popping balloons. How is popping balloons illegal? Just tell me that. Yo. That rapper, bro. Oh, so that's 1, 2. You're the rapper, right? Yeah, so. Then you're next, the athlete. He is what I'm most excited for. Alright. Come on, star. Okay. Test your bowling skills. What? Knock down the pins. Where do I go? Bro, but people hate me in the city, so when I go on the floor, they're just gonna... Anymore? Ooh, what are you? The thief? I've got a sweet tooth. Grab me one. Bring an ice cream. Yo, now I'm gonna go rob an ice cream stand? What the heck? Oh, first money. Yeah. Yo, why am I robbing people's ice creams? This is just evil. Return when you clear out your wanted level. Okay. Just did you. You're the athlete. What are you? You're the hero. What are you? You're the psycho. What are you? Cupid. Okay. I saw a lovely dove. Let's capture the moment. Take a photo of the dove. So I did you, I did you, I did you, did you, I did the athlete, I did the thief. I wonder if that's it. I think that's the thief. Yeah. Oh, you. Mafia. Think you're tough? Prove it. Bring shiny objects. Alright, buddy, bet. Oh. Why can't I fly? There we go. Man, I'd rather do these. Okay, so if you look at my bar right there, looks like I need 1 or 2 more. You know what, let's explore. Let's get the further one. Hold on. Hippie. Yo. There's another one? Okay. Guess we're doing about 1 more. Alright. Well, I'm glad I'm not wanted for that one. Now let's do you. No. Oh, God. Some of our bird friends are trapped. Free them. Find the keys and unlock the cages. Alright, I guess we're looking for keys and birds. I don't know. There's 1 key. Go free. Is that like an evil bird? Why am I wanted for that? Oh no, I might know why. Since the city hates birds, they don't want people freeing them. That makes sense. Actually, well, that's just my theory. But one more. Bro, why do people in the city hate birds though? Like, I like birds IRL. Dang, we got $11,000? Alright, so I think that's all. Mafia. Let's just go in a circle. Cupid. I did him. I did the hero. Did the rapper. Did the athlete. Well, I think that's all of them. If you want a part 3 now, put it down in the comments below. Or like the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one.